Welcome to Business Central video series. This is Michael Pito from VISTAS Cloud. The fastest way to create multiple sales invoices in one click is to use the bulk sales invoice creation app. It can be prepared in Excel by copying the template from Business Central. Fill out the necessary fields and copy them back to Business Central before clicking the Create Invoices button. This tool is also helpful to set up a new Business Central production environment. To create a bulk sales invoice, search for VISTAS Sales Invoice Headers in the Tell Me window and select the related link. Select Edit List Action and copy the Sales Invoice Header line by pressing Ctrl-C from your keyboard and paste it to Excel by pressing Ctrl-V. Open VISTAS Sales Invoice Lines and copy the sales line and paste it into Excel. Enter the fields in the sales headers and lines from the Excel template. Copy the Sales Invoice Header table and paste it to Business Central VISTAS Sales Invoice Headers. Copy the Sales Line table and paste it to Business Central VISTAS Sales Invoice Lines. In the VISTAS Sales Invoice Headers, select Create Invoices Action button. A bulk sales invoice has been created.